Hello, welcome to the Eagle 6 Airsoft video. We're going to be testing this Tokyo Marui Urgi M4 Ngrs. This has got, I've just put the stock on there for cosmetic reasons, but I'll show you what it comes like as standard. That we're sending out. So this build has level 4 with obviously Prometheus Gears, Prometheus Bearings, Prometheus Tightbore barrel, Prometheus purple hop rubber, Prometheus Flat Nub, the Gates Titan basic, Laylax Trigger Pin. It's got the Warhead high-speed motor, and it's got just Dean's connections on the back with an Eagle 6 M1 10 spring. So we've got all this all tested, and we'll put all the details of the FPS obviously we're sending to the customer, and what we're going to do now is just demonstrate it working, and we can talk about the bit at the back in a second. So this is just for 7.4 volts. Obviously Ngrs, none of them ever run on 11 volt. See, there's obviously a really good trigger response and all working, so that's our proof of life. And then obviously build wise, like I said, I've just talked about that. On the stock here, we just asked about the stock options. Like I said, cosmetically I've just put the CTR stock on there because I think that's what you mentioned, and that we've done the length of this for at the back here. So what we've done, we've removed the quick connector system that's at the back here, so obviously that'll be inside the box, sent back with the gun. So obviously if you want to put that back on, you can obviously desolder here and then reinstall the quick connector, and then obviously you can then install the original stock, or you can obviously modify the stock and cut it and have a big hole going through there and all that sort of business that people do. So like I say, if you were to run the original M4 stock, you probably would want to go with longer, one than that. But it's a perfect setup for the CTR stock, which is what we'd recommend. Just remember that obviously for CTR stock, you're going to have to hollow out this bit or have a hollowed out stock in order for the batteries to actually have a space, because this is Ngrs, and Ngrs do not have a stock tube to put batteries into, so because there's a weight inside it. So yeah, hopefully everything's all right for you on the build. Now that we've obviously discussed this, because this is going a long way, we want to make sure everything's all spot on for you. But yeah, otherwise we hope you enjoyed. Thank you.